Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable the advanced security feature in Apple ID. So guys, if you want to secure your Apple ID, so guys, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is tap on the settings app, tap on the Apple ID, tap on sign in and security. You can see appears on screen many features. Tap on two-factor authentication, tap on security keys, advanced security keys setup. You can see appears on screen security keys. A FIDO certified security key is third-party hardware that you can use for two-factor authentication when you sign in. Strongest account security, replace verification codes, add security keys, tap on it. You can see appears on screen you need two security keys. To get started, you need two compatible security keys. This makes sure you can always sign into your account even if you lose one. Tap on continue. You can see appears on screen. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter the iPhone passcode. Verifying. You can see appears on screen Apple account. Add security keys, insert and activated your first security key. If you have a compatible NFC key, bring a near to top this iPhone. Apple security key is enabled. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to enable the advanced security key option in Apple ID. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.